If you're sick of overpriced generic Valentine's stuff or simply want to be a little bit more eco-friendly this Valentine's Day, then check out these 5 unique Valentine's Day decorations, all crafted from the humble cardboard and cardboard tubes. My name is Andrea, and I'm going to show you how to upcycle some love-themed crafts for much less. Plus, I added a cute little bonus upcycle to sweeten the deal, so you're going to want to stick around to the end. Let's get upcycling. Did you know that most chip cans are built by twisting cardboard? Yeah, those are the geeky things that I research in my off time. We're going to use the natural twist of these Pringles cans to create a unique luminary. Watch and see. First, find the 2 seams that spiral down to the bottom and cut them. Then you cut those in half. By the time you're done doing that, you should have 4 1-inch width octopus legs. That's what I call them, at least. Now, if you want to trim up all the little snags that you made while you were cutting, you can do so now. I chose not to because I'm going to glitter over them in a bit. I brought the tentacles together with a hole punch. I bound them together with a pipe cleaner. Alternatively, you could use hot glue or string. Now you have a choice to paint with acrylics or even a Sharpie marker, but for speed, I used a bit of spray paint. Once dried, I went over all of the rough edges with hot glue and glitter. This process was a little bit long and tedious, but it was really worth it in the end. Simply add a flameless tea light and voila, you have a romantic luminary made from an upcycled chip can. Get ready for a quirky candy cup. This one is perfect for family time as it only requires some Pringles cans and an assortment of decorations. Now you can leave the Pringles cans at regular size, but I find it to be super duper cute when it's cut down to a smaller size. And that's really easy to do. All you have to do is cut about 4 inches from the bottom and then 4 inches from the top. Save that piece for the next project. It's gonna be cute. Then you cut a triangular relief cut in the bottom piece so that you can easily slide the top piece over it. And you don't even need any glue to put this together. How craftastic is that? Now get to decorating with colorful tape, stickers, permanent markers, or whatever else you have laying around. I love the final touch of a pom-pom topper. Super unique and a fun candy cup that the kiddos will adore. You didn't think I was going to toss the rest of that Pringles can out, did you? Nope. We're about to turn this trash into treasure and create a boho chic vase that'll rival anything you'd find at Anthropology for a fraction of the price, which basically, it's free. The secret weapon? Colored hot glue. I've been using this stuff for ages, and I've always been amazed at how versatile it is. It's perfect for layering over labels or raw materials like cardboard and foam. You can get super precise lines or create a more organic texture. Just be careful not to burn yourself. And don't worry about glue strings. They're easily removed with a silicone spatula. Now I've got to admit, I wasn't sure how this smear technique would turn out, but I trusted the process and now I'm seriously impressed. I used a fake flower here, but you could easily repurpose an old jar and use it as a vase for fresh blooms. This is a super fun craft to do with kids. We're using leftover cardboard, you know, like that box from Amazon that you got last week, and some simple embellishments. We just happen to have this perfect reddish pink box laying around, but don't worry if yours is brown or any other color. The embellishments will totally transform it. Once you've cut your hearts, let the kids loose with the decorations. Get creative with glitter, paint, stickers. The sky's the limit. Then just punch some holes and string them together. Voila! A garland that the kids will be proud to hang. I heart toilet paper tubes. You wouldn't believe what's hiding inside most of those cheap decor items that you find at discount stores. It's usually just cardboard or plastic dressed up. So why not get creative and make something cute and handmade with what you already have? Like a cute toilet paper tube heart decoration. The size of your heart will depend on how many toilet paper tubes you've managed to rescue from the trash can. I managed to rescue 14, which makes a 12 by 12 inch heart. Start by laying out your toilet tubes into a heart shape. and then you just begin gluing them together. Don't worry about precision. It's going to look like a hot mess, but that's okay because we're going to use the other side as the pretty side. Now flip it over and use a bit more precision gluing to ensure that the structure is secure. Now it's time to wrap this bad boy in some felt. I used red because that's what I had left over from Christmas. I kind of wish I had pink, but hey, you use what you've got, right? Okay, so the trick to this DIY is starting with the back side and folding the seams upwards towards the front of it. And then the front seams go towards the back. That way the pretty side doesn't have any weird seams hanging around. Decorations for this cutie are endless, but I chose to use up some of my pom-poms and chenille stems. I can imagine that this would be cute with rhinestones or felt letters or even some felt hearts. Any way you decorate it, you're sure to love how cozy cute this little heart is. All right, you made it to the bonus round. Leave a comment below and tell me which Valentine's Day project is your favorite. Or maybe wait until the end because this one is seriously unique. We're making XOXOX decor using, wait for it, toilet paper tubes. The tubes already give you the perfect O shape, and with a few strategic cuts, you've got your X's. Now get creative with the decorations. I decided to try glue and glitter dip, and I think it turned out pretty cute. Plus, these are the perfect accessory for my upcycled cookie box truck. Yes, you heard that right. I turned an old cookie box into a holiday truck. Perfect for fall, perfect for Christmas, and now perfect for Valentine's Day. Check out that video right here. Catch you next time on Upcycling with Andrea.